Good morning, student. Today, let's start our new chapter, Roman numerals. In our daily life, we see Roman numerals in clocks and watches. First, let me tell you that what are Roman numerals. Roman numerals are the symbol used to represent the number. There are 7 basic Roman numerals or symbols which are used to represent a number. These symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Let's see the relation between Roman numerals and Indo-Arabic numerals. Value of I is equal to 1, value of V is equal to 5, value of X is equal to 10, value of L is equal to 50, value of C is equal to 100, value of D is equal to 500, value of M is equal to 1000. So student, here are some points to remember. Let's read. I is the smallest and M is the largest Roman numerals. We can make any number. We can make any number by using different combination of these 7 symbols. There is no place value in Roman numeral system. There is no place value in Roman numeral system. 0 is not used in Roman numeral system. 0 is not used. Now let's study some of rules that we need to remember are. First rules of repetition. Second is rules of addition. Third is rules of subtraction. Now let's learn each rule one by one. First rule, rules of repetition. If the symbol is repeated, listen carefully, if the symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Its value be added. See example, I. Value of I is equal to 1. Means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Another example, X. Value of X is equal to 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Student, always remember that a symbol is never repeated more than 3 times. Never repeated 3 times. Means कोई भी symbol 3 से ज़्यादा repeat नहीं हो सकता. Now, keep in your mind, symbol V, L, D are never repeated. V, L, D are never repeated. For example, when you write down 10, you can't write VV. This is wrong. 10 is always written as X. When you write down 100, you never write down LL. C, you always written as C. When you write down 1000, you can't write DD. You always written as M. So, V, L, D are never repeated. That is the rules of first. Second rule is rules of addition. If the symbols at the right has lesser value, then the symbols at the left, symbol left side पे है और जो right side पे है वो less value है, then add to the two symbol to get the numerals. See example, VI. I is the right side and symbol is the left side. I repeat, if the symbol at the right has lesser value, जो right side पे symbol है उसकी value less है, then the left side of symbol add to the two symbol. Now value of v is equal to 5, value of I is equal to 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Another example, xi, value of x is equal to 10, value of I is equal to 1. Means 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So that is the rule of addition. Now see next rules of subtraction. Rules of subtraction. If the symbols of a smaller value is written to the left of a symbol, left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of greater symbol. See here example IV. I is the left side of this symbol. Value of I is equal to 1 and value of V is equal to 5. Now you can subtract the value of the value of the greater symbol. Greater symbol कौन सा है? V. Value of V is equal to 5. Now you can subtract 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Another example IX. Value of I is equal to 1. Value of X is equal to 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. That is the rules of subtraction. Now here some points to remember. Let's read. First rule, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Second, symbol V, L, D are never repeated. Next, I can be subtracted from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C. C can be subtracted from D and M. Now you can see here example. When you write down 4, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. When you write down 9, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. This is the symbol of 9. This is the symbol of 4. Now when you write down 40, 50 minus 10, this is 40. This is the symbol of 40. XC, 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. This is the symbol of 90. CD, 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. This is the symbol of 400. CM, 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. This is the symbol of 900. You can see I can be subtracted from V and X. I subtracted from V and X. Second point, X can be subtracted from L and C. C can be subtracted from D and M. Now in the last rule, large number are always written as putting bars on the numbers. When a bar is placed over a number, when a bar is placed over a number, its value is multiplied by 1000. For example, here L bar, value of L is equal to 50. Bar value is multiplied by 1000. Now 50 multiplied 1000 is equal to 50,000. Now we will see how to write Roman numerals. See example here 19. When you convert into Roman numerals, first you expand this number. 10 plus 9. Symbol of 10 is X. Symbol of 9 is 1x. Means XIX. This is the 19. When you convert into Roman numerals, XIX. Now I hope all understand today's topic. So there are practice on 1 and practice on 2 related to this topic. You can do yourself. If you will have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.